Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage press releases with PR Newswire, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the PR Newswire website and create an account if you haven't already. Log into your account to access the dashboard. Click on Create a new press release to begin the process. Select the type of press release you want to distribute. Fill in the headline of your press release with a clear and engaging statement. Add the subheadline to provide additional context or details. Enter the body of the press release, ensuring it follows the inverted pyramid structure. Include the date and location at the beginning of the body text. Incorporate relevant quotes from key stakeholders to enhance credibility. Add any multimedia elements such as images or videos to make your release visually appealing. Ensure your press release contains a boilerplate, which provides background information. Choose your distribution options based on your target audience and geographical focus. Review your press release for errors and ensure clarity and professionalism. Select the time frame for the release to go live. Confirm your payment details and finalize your order. Monitor the performance of your press release using the analytics tools provided by PR Newswire. Make adjustments in future releases based on the insights gained from performance data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.